Sorry about that. I think my microphone is much better now. Um, Alright, so I will show you what I've done so far. As you can see, I have right now Darkrift server. This is Darkrift 2. The first version, it's only limited to, I think, 20 players at the time. You have to pay $25 for 100 players and like $100 for unlimited. But Darkrift 2 is faster than Darkrift 1, and you get unlimited players from the free version. If you want to learn how to use Darkrift, they have a decent documentation. They also have a Discord and Yasil, Yasil. That's the channel on YouTube. I learned a bit of stuff from him, but this is not Darkrift 1. This is Darkrift 2. I can't really show you too much of the Darkrift code because if I did, then I would easily be hacked, and people will manipulate my MMO, so I can't really do that right now. But I can tell you that it communicates with my SQL. As you can see, I have some tables over here, and what it does is there's an SQL plugin for Darkrift 1, but Darkrift 2 does not have a plugin created by the it doesn't have a database by default because it's lightweight, it's fast, so you have to create one yourself. So what I did was I took a real good look at the Darkrift 1 plugin, and I created it myself. So I created a plugin. So you can see, no, it doesn't say over here. Well, so I'll show you what I've done so far. First of all, you can see I can log in, new user, and reset password. So all of this works. So if I do something like stupid like this, log in. Oh, that's strange. Oh yes, because I need to boot this first. I'm gonna try it again. I'm using a widescreen monitor, so you won't see some of part of my monitor. Alright, move this into view. Let's try something like that. Okay, so new client connected. I'm connected. Login. Unrecognized username password. Please check your credentials and try again. That's good. So we can create new user. The email is optional, but if you put an email in, you can get password recovery. So let's try YouTube test, and password is test, and email is 1. Let's try this. New account is created. We hope you enjoyed the game. Dismiss. Alright. So if we use this, we can reset our password. So let's just say we forgot our password. YouTube test. Our email, let's just say we have a bad email. Bad email at email.com. Send unlucky. Cannot find a matching account and email. Please check your credentials. If you use the actual correct email at yahoo.com, send unlucky. So we sent you an email with an unlock code. If you did not get the email, please contact the developers to dismiss. So I should get an email just pretty soon. There we go. That's the email. So this is a randomly generated password. So if I copy this and I say new password is now 123. So YouTube test 123. Password was successfully reset. So let's try YouTube test 123. Login. Welcome to White Cat MMO. Please create your character. Note that accounts are limited to 1 character per account. So this is the character creator. You can have male or female. This is using UMA. So if you want to check it out, go to the asset store and type UMA2, UMA space 2, and that's completely free. It allows you to create all types of different characters with different shape size. Different. It can create pretty crazy characters. But I only limited the creation to a few sliders. So first of all, is the gender. You can change the height. You can change the weight. You can select your skin tone. You can change your hairstyle. I only put a few hairstyles right now. I might get more hairstyles later, but that's not a priority because I want to finish the MMO first. Features first, then maybe aesthetics later. So, and you can choose your hair color, and you can save your character. It will remember on your next login. So you can have 3 different type of faces. You can see the face change a little bit. Let's call her YouTube. Yeah, just YouTube, right? So, alright, we got really unlucky because normally I would spawn some blocks around, but it's randomized. So we got a bad RNG. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill the server and restart. Once I restart the server, the spawns will reset. So let's see if it works this time. So YouTube test 1, 2, 3, and since you're right in, there we go. So the reason why I had to restart was all of these things were spawning off camera. I haven't set up the camera system yet, so I'm going to have to program that, but that's for another week or month. Alright, so as you can see, my character is exactly the same as created. All the details are there. I think so. So to prove that that's the case, I'm going to create another character. So new user, test2, create user, test2, test2. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to choose a light skin and really short and white hair like that. So YouTube 2. Oh, if you choose a same name, character name is not unique, choose another name. So I've went through all the errors to weed them out so that people won't get crashes. Oh no, but now everything spawned off screen. See? The character looks different. So you click to move. I think that one thing doesn't save, but I need to check that. That may be a bug. Alright, we're gonna have to kill the server again. And I'll show you the most exciting part of the project that I'm doing is the networking. Yep, that's right. We have full networking. Test 2. Is it test 2? Again, welcome back. Okay, there we go. So 2 features. Click. I can select. Oops. No. You can select by clicking. So if I click on the floor, I move around, and if I click on a block, then I select. And for some reason, her hair is still selected. That's not right. Alright, there's another bug. I have to fix that, but that's not important because I'm going to log in with my other character. So give me 1 minute. So what I'm doing is I have 2 computers side by side. I am booting the game on a second computer. Alright, see this? So this is my other computer, fully network. So, and what's cool is that the monster spawning and monster respawn are also working. There's a... Alright, and I can select the character, see? Select me, that. I need to fix this later, maybe after the stream. So I can click different stuff. So the server updates 3 ticks a second. It sends minor updates for 10 seconds, which means that it only updates the positions that changed, and then every 10 seconds it does a major update. So it refreshes everything, just in case there's packet loss. Because when you program network, you can't expect the person to get every single thing you send if it's unreliable. So if you miss some packets, every 10 seconds I want to load the game in a good state. So, alright, so that's pretty much it. So after this, I will take a break, but first I'll fix this hair bug, and that's it. Thank you very much.